Jain, do you know something? In the last 2 years, I was culling up data. The Modi government has executed or financed $170 million worth of infra projects in Palestine with a focus on Gaza. The third point, we have in the last 1 year given 75 metric tons plus worth of food and sanitary ware to the people who find themselves on the rough side of things in Gaza. So the Modi government believes that actions will do the talking, not giving bhashan or writing op-ed columns. As far as the policy of the Modi government on Bangladeshi Hindus goes, I think we made it amply clear that we stand with Bangladeshi Hindus, and that is the reason that we have now decided to strengthen the CAA even further by relaxing the threshold norm for those who can enter India and be given legitimate citizenship. I think having the right policy apparatus.
No,
is the
policy
best
is
way
fine.
of
No,
doing-
Dr. Ranganathan is underlining the tone that should be adopted by the government to condemn persecution of minorities. That is what he meant. Ravi Srivastava hasn't spoken. Ravi Srivastava, sir, what do you make of this? Okay, Dr. Ranganathan is adding something. Sir, 8 minutes mein aa raha hu.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanju, for the clarification. But I want to add something on Gaza. Was there an op-ed written by Sonia Gandhi on the October 7, 2023 genocide of innocent Jews where children, babies were microwaved alive? Was there, Nikhil Jain? You only talk about genocide when it suits you selectively. Were the Jews not genocided? I ask you a point blank question. Tell me.
अभी निखिल जैन के मुंह में दही जम गया.
Nikhil,
Since my name has been taken multiple times, can I answer? Pranesh, can I please answer since my name has been taken multiple times?
go
Pranesh,
ahead,
I'm
Nikhil.
assuming,
What is
my
stopping
audio
you?
is clear.
United Nations.
Yes,
go
what
ahead,
happened on the
answer.
7th of October 2023 by the terror... Can I please... What happened on the 7th of October 2023 was indeed an attempted genocide where over 2,000 people were killed by a terrorist organization. Amar.
Attempted
What is
genocide.
happening in Palestine right now is 70,000 people have been killed in an attempted genocide.
Okay, Nikhil,
Why
even if you, okay, let me give this to you. Even if you think that this was an attempted genocide, which it was clearly not, it was a genocide, most barbaric attack. Why can't your party leaders just put this on print? Attempted genocide pe op-ed likh dete.
Pranesh, can you stop being so... Pranesh, can you stop being so thick and dense with the English language that you don't understand the basic meaning?
That's okay.
Of things?
I'm thick with the English language. As long as you make sense, it's okay. Just make sense, Nikhil.
Genocide is a continuing act.
Okay.
don't have
Genocide
to use
is a
words
continuing act. So 1984 में genocide नहीं हुआ था. वो Dr. Ranganathan, because it is not continuing. 3-4 दिन चला, एक हफ्ता चला, 6 were massacred, but that was no genocide. Kashmiri Hindus killed, forced out of Kashmir. अभी बंद हो गया है वो. According to Nikhil Jain, continuing नहीं है, is not a genocide. Nikhil, join a coaching class before you appear on TV. Ravi Srivastava ji.
Pranesh, I think the subject was a Gurudwara raised in Farokhabad in Pakistan, 70 kilometers from Lahore. The Gurudwara was not used for last 80 years. It was abandoned. It was completely encroached by the local shopkeepers. Now, this is not a reason that it should not be condemned. It should be condemned because this is a minority people there. The CM of the state has already acted upon. And it was not completely raised. It was partially raised.
Wow, sir.
And that
wow.
is being restored.
Sir, क्या हो गया आपको? Are you from the, Nikhil Jain school of or, college? वो बोल रहे हैं, this was an attempted genocide. आप बोल रहे हैं, it wasn't completely demolished, partially raised. क्या हो गया सर आपको? निखिल जैन was on a break. आप तो regular appear हो रहे थे.
See, you should know the facts. These are the facts which I am saying. And it cannot be debated. I am not telling a lie. I am not telling a fiction here. I am telling the facts.
देखिए अभी अब निखिल जैन उठ के चले गए. He hasn't completely abandoned. He was partially present in the debate. अब वो उठ के आधे डिबेट में गए हैं, तो ये बॉयकॉट नहीं माना जाएगा. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
I mean, I don't understand when their duplicity is exposed. Why do they get so irritated? Why do they, resort to ad hominem, especially on you, when your English is better than any Italian I know? Now, let me talk about the facts out here when you're talking about facts. Ravi ji is a very well-respected person. He's my elder brother. I ask him point blank, rather than providing evidences ki ye kiya, wo nahi kiya, is Pakistan prosecuting and persecuting its minorities? What was the minority population of Pakistan when it got formed? What is the minority population now? What was the minority population of India when it formed modern India? And what is the minority population now? फैक्ट्स की बात कर रहे हो तो जरा ये डेटा है कि नहीं है आपके पास? या विवेक श्रीवास्तव से पूछूं कि 9% से 17% हो गए यहां पे मुसलमान, और वहां पे हिंदूज कितने परसेंट से कितने परसेंट रह गए हैं? कुछ आइडिया है आपको? पाकिस्तान को डिफेंड करने चले आते हैं.